At the heart of DCT's design is its multi-vendor training approach. With over 10 certifiable courses, DCT offers a rich variety of skills, from data center design to structured cabling and unified communications. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, our programs are built to upscale your career. Let's explore the key components that make DCT stand out. First up, our hands-on labs. DCT is all about practical, real-world experience. Take our copper cabling certification, for example. In this 5-day course, you'll master horizontal and backbone cabling, installation techniques, and testing with industry-standard tools like fluke testers. You'll terminate Cat6 cables, test links, and walk away with skills ready for commercial offices, hospitals, or data centers. Next, our data center design certification. This 5-day program is a game-changer for architects and engineers. You'll learn to plan modern data centers, from floor space and cabinet placement to power, cooling, and cabling standards. Our curriculum covers everything: UPS options, free cooling, and building management systems, ensuring you deliver efficient, sustainable solutions. Another standout is our Micro Data Center (MDC) design, install, and configure course. In just 3 days, you'll learn to migrate from basic server cabinets to integrated data center in a box solutions. You'll configure full data center infrastructure management (DCIM) and centralized monitoring dashboards, perfect for companies upgrading their IT setups. What's training without recognition? DCT partners with Credly to award digital badges for every course you complete. These verified badges are shareable online, boosting your professional profile and showcasing your expertise to employers worldwide. It's a powerful way to stand out in the IT industry.